This is a video by request. Here we are tonight. We're going to be looking at Bngo. This one is more of a technical analysis. I'm just going to tell you guys straight away in case you were wondering. But yeah, somebody asked me to do a quick technical analysis on the stock. So here you go. We're going to be looking at Bngo. Make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. But do remember, this is only my personal opinion, not fact, and certainly not financial advice. But here we go. We're going to jump in. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at N2SFinance. Let's try to get me to 100 followers. It would be appreciated. You can join us on Patreon. Link is in the description. And we now have a website called markets-daily.com. You can find the link to that down below as well. You can go and subscribe there for free, or you can just follow me on Twitter to get daily updates when I do post new articles on there about all sorts of interesting new stocks and cryptos as well. But here we are now, guys. We're going to start off on the more simple charts, and we're going to look at the trend for Bngo, specifically over the past day or so, and then move out. So today we are down by 0.09%. This equates to a drop of 1.53%, so not too bad. In the after hours, we are down by 0.1%, and that is a 0.09% drop. But throughout the day you can see this trend, so 9:30 until about 9:36 rather, we actually rose a little bit. We came up to the $5.96 range, and from there we unfortunately did continue to drop, and this ultimately left us red for the rest of the day as we saw some consolidation in this 560 range, and we actually did go all the way up to the high 570s, touching 578 by the end of the day. But unfortunately it wasn't enough to keep us green, as we did hit so high at the morning, and obviously we did see a red day subsequently. So that's what we're seeing over the past day. The past 5 days is not looking great for this stock. We hit highs up here at 644 on the past week in my opinion, and we haven't really been ever higher since. So we hit these highs, we went down a little bit, we came up to here where we saw very similar levels, but unfortunately from there we have been down consistently day after day ever since, and that is quite unfortunate to see, especially with Bngo, as I do think it is a fairly decent company in my opinion. It is seeing a red month, and even in the past 6 months we are red, which really is quite sad for the stock, considering that in February we were priced at about $15.57. So overall, Bngo, I do not think it is a bad company at all. I think this company is definitely coming potentially close to being undervalued, and we will get into that in just a moment. But let's have a look at what the technical indicators are saying on these charts over here. So the 1 day, we are pretty much true to that moving average, which is okay. We are sat on 50 on the RSI, which is fine. That's basically flat. Bear in mind, guys, 50 is absolutely neutral, 80 is overbought, and 20 is oversold. And you can see that MACD trend down there as well. The moving average is currently sat on 573. That's slightly below where we are right now on 578. And that is because we saw a bit of a rise throughout the day. As you would expect, this is going to be lagging behind, as it is a 5-day moving average, so it does track the past 5 days, as it does say in the name. The RSI figure down here at 55, basically neutral in my opinion, and you can see that trend down here on the MACD, which does appear to be turning bearish slightly at the moment, but there we go. So on the past month, you can see the trend down here. We are seeing a moving average of 665, which is obviously going to be above where we are right now at 578. The simple reason for that is because this is a lagging indicator. It basically tracks the past 50 days, as the name does suggest, so it is going to be slightly higher than where we are right now after we have seen all that drop in price. We've seen an RSI figure down here of 39. Bear in mind, guys, 20 is oversold. We are about 19 points away from being oversold. So yes, we are definitely more towards the oversold side than the overbought, but we are not oversold yet in my opinion. We came very close to coming back green on the MACD. You can see this trend was about to potentially flip over. The lines were coming quite close together, and we definitely could have seen some positive action, but unfortunately, due to 1, 2, 3, 4 days in the red now, we are definitely seeing this actually bring in another red candle, and the price is dipping, and subsequently the MACD is falling down with it. So that is what we're seeing down here. Things become a bit more clear on the 3-month if you were wondering, but that is the trend that we are seeing with Bngo at the moment. So, would I buy Bngo? Personally, I would not buy Bngo at the moment, and it's not because I don't like the company. I said that at the start, I think it is a potentially undervalued company, but I do see some potential for more drops happening, unfortunately, in the price of Bngo. I think it is a decent company, and I think when these growth stocks do come back on, we could see a bit more strength. I like this company, and I hope I'm wrong. I hope it doesn't continue to fall. I hope it sees big growth very soon, but unfortunately, I personally believe there is a small chance, or at least some chance in my opinion, of seeing more downside, unfortunately, and for that reason I would wait a bit before I was to buy the stock. Just my thoughts, just my personal opinions. Tell me yours down below, guys. And like I said, I'm not hating on the company at all. I do like it, but I just want to be realistic. That's just what I personally think. Thank you though, see you soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.